Today, I'm excited to share with you 3 powerful strategies to maximize visibility for your content on social media. Let's jump right in. Hello and welcome to Affordable Socials, the go-to channel for all things social media. I'm your host, Jemima, a social media manager, content creator, and influencer. We drop weekly segments teaching you easy how-to tips and tricks for social media. Way 1, optimize your content for algorithms. First up, optimize your content for algorithms to increase its chances of appearing on the feed. Focus on creating high-quality, engaging content that encourages likes, comments, and shares, as these signals are often prioritized by algorithms. Use relevant hashtags, tags, and keywords to help your posts get discovered by users searching for related content. Way 2, post consistently and strategically. Next, post consistently and strategically to keep your content visible on the feed. Experiment with different times of the day and the days of the week to determine when your audience is most active and engaged, and you can schedule your posts accordingly. Use insight and analytics to track the performance of your content and refine your posting strategy over time. Way 3, encourage engagement and sharing. Lastly, encourage engagement and sharing to boost the visibility of your content on the feed. Ask questions, prompt discussions, and encourage users to share your content with their networks. Respond promptly to comments and messages to foster interaction and build relationships with your audience. Well, there you have it, 3 powerful ways to ensure that your content gets seen on the feed. If you found these strategies helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments. We're here with more social media tips and tricks every single week. Need more guidance or have specific questions? Reach out via email or on our live chat on the website. Until next time, happy posting, and I'll catch you in the next video.